Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this is a beautiful custom 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, which is finished in a beautiful metallic red and will be selling for no reserve here at the 2023 Barrett-Jackson Las Vegas auctions. Now, before we get into all the cool details of this custom ride, first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive boring cars.
So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, which is finished in a beautiful custom metallic red paint job with inlaid stripes. Yes, these are painted. These are not graphics or stickers or anything like that. And there has been a ton of custom work done to this car, which we'll be selling here for no reserve. One of the other cool details, in addition to the custom paint job, is the fact that all of the trim, which would normally be chrome or bright work on this car, has since been replaced and refinished as a satin nickel finish. And it looks absolutely fantastic here. Now, as for powertrain, we have a modern powertrain in this thing. Power comes from an LS3 6.2 liter V8, which was built by Texas Speed Performance, now making well in excess of the original 430 horsepower, and then that is paired with a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission. Now, one of the coolest parts about this vehicle, to me at least, is obviously we have that modern drivetrain, but I really like some of the cool aesthetics that are actually sitting in this vehicle, including perhaps the most interesting being these wheels on the side. So we have these really cool wheels. We have some skinnier wheels up front that are some 22-inch wheels by 8.5s in the front, and then some massive wheels in the back, which require the vehicle to be tubbed, and those are 22-inch by 15-inch wide wheels in the back. On top of that, as you can see through the spokes of the wheels here, we actually have four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. These are slotted and drilled as well. So pretty cool, upgraded performance. Obviously, you need to be able to come to a stop with all of your added horsepower and performance. One of the other amazing attributes of this car is inside here. This is a custom leather interior done by Gabe's Custom Interiors out of San Bernardino, California. And as you can see, there is a ton of attention to detail. We have quilted leather seats. We have a lot of custom gauges. We have our shifter for a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, and lots of cool bits, including some vents for our vintage air AC system, which also sits under the hood because depending on where you're going to be driving this, it's nice to have AC. As we come around to the back, more of our awesome satin nickel finish throughout the car, the super deep wheels, which are insanely large, and we come to the back, and the rear bumper that would normally be chrome is again finished in satin nickel. So very cool car, very custom. A lot of time has been spent in this vehicle, and it's just really simple but stands out in the best way. So if you're interested in purchasing a collector car for yourself, be sure to check out autohunter.com, which is our online auction with cars going live every single weekday, or our sister site ClassicCars.com, which has over 30,000 cars currently live on the site. If you guys enjoyed the video, go hit that like button for us. We'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching.